Hello there. Today we'll be doing Neetcode125 valid palindrome, Neetcode a two-pointer valid palindrome. This is going to be our fourth problem. So a phase in a palindrome is after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumerical characters. If reads the same forwards and backwards, alphanumerical characters include letters and numbers. And given a string, S, return true if it's a palindrome, otherwise false. So in example 1, it is palindrome because if you take all the alphanumerical characters and put them together in a lowercase form, you will see that it is a palindrome. Where every character is the same from the beginning to the end and it crosses the middle part, or in reverse. We can read it from the front to the back and back to the front, both in the same way. Race a car is not, because if you read it from the front to the back, it's different from the back to the front. But in the last case, empty string is true because reading both forwards and backwards is the same. So going by the first way of doing this, by reading it forwards and backwards, we can, by using n space, we can manipulate the string to be something that is only of alphanumerical by using the alphanumeric function. So for every character in S, if the character is alphanumeric, then we're going to join it into a string, and we're going to also lower it. So if this reads forwards and backwards the same, then we have a palindrome. So of course this is very fast to write, and we can see that it does work. However, this does cost more space because we need to create a brand new string of n length. We can, however, use time for space, meaning that if we could use pointers, two-pointer system, and go through each item and look for all the alphanumerical spots and check them in lowercase and check them if they're equal or not. And if they're false, then we will return false. If they're true, then we keep on moving the two pointers until they cross each other. And at that point, we know that both sides read the same. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So I equals 0, j equals lang s minus 1. So while I is less than or equal to j, we're going to do some fun stuff. So if not, si is alphanumerical. So if it's not alphanumerical, okay, we're going to go to the next one. Else if it's not alphanumerical from the j side, then okay, we're going to go to the next one. No problem. Alright, so if they are both equal, alright, so we're going to make sure that lowercase, they're both, if they're not equal to each other, then it's game over. We can return false immediately. Otherwise, let's keep playing the same game until we cross each other. And once we do cross, we'll return true. So run the code and submit. Great. And that is how we solve the valid palindrome problem. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, check out the link in the description below. Thank you very much and have a good one.